So just as an overview of the different notations I used for my project, I have the right button set equal to adding a quarter, the left button set equal to adding $1, and the middle button represents the reset, which resets the vending machine to state A. State A in my project represents 0 cents, state B represents 25 cents, state C represents 50 cents, and state D represents 75 cents. Since I used the mealy implementation instead of the more implementation, I did not need a fifth state to represent $1. When the right button is pressed, the state increases by 1. This represents adding a quarter to the vending machine. Once you add 4 quarters, the state changes from D to A and 1 LED lights up. This represents 1 soda being returned. So if I press the right button, the state changes from A to B, then B to C, then C to D. The LED did not light up at all. However, when I add 1 more quarter to the vending machine, a soda will be returned, meaning the LED will light up. If you press the left button, the state remains the same. This represents adding $1 to the vending machine. The state stays the same because after adding $1 and receiving a soda, you are back at the state you were before inserting the dollar. When you insert $1 in any state, you receive 1 soda, which is why only 1 LED lights up. So if I press the left button, you can see that the LED lights up, but the state remains the same. This remains true for each state. You can also input $1 and quarter in at the same time. While the machine is in states A through C, you can still only receive 1 soda. While you stay at the same state when you input $1, the extra 25 cents causes the state to increase by 1 each time you enter $1 and quarter simultaneously. So if you start at A and press both the right and left buttons, you will see the LED light up and the state increase by 1. That happens again for going from B to C and C to D. However, when you are in state D, which is 75 cents, and you put in $1 and a quarter at the same time, which equals $1.25, the total amount of money in the machine is $2. So you would get 2 sodas when going from state D to A with this input, which is why 2 LEDs will light up under these conditions. The reset button resets any state back to A. No matter what combination of buttons you press, if you press the middle button, it will reset to state A. If I press the right button 3 times, it's at state D, but if I press the middle button, it will return to state A. If I press the right button twice and the left button once, the middle button will still return it to state A.